We're going to start with placing turkey wings into a tray, laying them evenly so we can get an even coverage of spices. Sprinkle a bit of mustard powder over the top. Add some garlic powder. Sprinkle some cayenne pepper. And shake out some white pepper. Add a bit of cumin powder. Followed by some turmeric. Add a bit of sweet paprika. Grind some salt into it and give it a squeeze of lime juice on top. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil. And mix together well. Place back in the tray neatly. The oven's on and ready to go at 360 degrees. So I think it's about time to put into the oven at 360 degrees. Wait 47 minutes. And you're ready to serve up.